Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today, I'm gonna be working on the 4Runner. I'm going to be applying this internal frame coating just for some preventative maintenance, since my frame had a little bit of surface rust on it, as you guys saw before when I was coating the frame with Pour 15. So yeah, I took care of the rest of the frame. There's just one spot in the back that I need to do, but I want to get the internal frame coated. So I saw this this product on Eastwood, and by the way, I'm not sponsored by them. It'd be cool if I was. But basically this thing, you apply 2 coats on the inside. It neutralizes and treats rust. How you do it, there's like this cool nozzle. It came curled up in a package. I have it taped down so the sun can just keep it in one position. Now, if you wanted to, you can take a heat gun to that and then just straighten it out. I have a bore scope in front of me. We're going to be checking out the driver's side part of the frame, see what it looks like in there as best as we can, actually, because the screen, it's pretty small. And anyway, I coated the passenger side already to see what it would do, and I haven't looked on the inside of it yet. So we're going to take a first look from the untreated side to the treated side to see how well it covered, and hopefully we can see pretty well in there. If not, I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's still fun anyway. Yeah, anyway, so let's get right into this. All right, so first things first, let's check out the internal of the uncoated side of the frame with the bore scope. If you don't know how one of these works, check out my short right up here. All right, I got my bore scope powered on. Let's dig into the frame real quick. It's gonna be kind of hard to capture on camera, but let's reduce some of the brightness, or maybe let's make it bright. Let's put on 5. All right, so I'm not seeing any rust. Maybe just a little bit right there. It's actually just surface. Yeah, oh, look at that. It's just a little bit of surface. That's not bad. Can you see that? Wait, let me get back on that. Yeah, it looks terrible on camera. Oh. Yep. Okay, so you can see a little bit right there. I hope you guys can see that pretty well. Okay, so there's just a little bit in here. It's actually not bad. Let's go check out the passenger side that I coated already. Alrighty, what are we seeing in here? Ah, actually looks like it coated pretty well. Let me reduce that a little bit. Oh yeah, this stuff actually went around and coated pretty well. Those dots in there, that's that zinc that they have inside of the Eastwood paint. So that just turned it white. It's not rusty actually. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, there's a little spot that I missed. Okay. Well, let's get out and jump back over on the driver's side. Okay guys, so as you saw, between the coated side and then uncoated side, hopefully you could see it pretty well. It was pretty difficult to try to capture that on camera. They do have Bluetooth versions of those bore scopes, so maybe I'll pick up one of those and then do a screen record off of my phone to see if we can get a better picture quality. If you want to see that, let me know, comment below. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start coating this driver's side. Now, I did pick up just 2 cans of this. 1 can coated that side fine, but I'm thinking you guys should, if you want to do this on your 4Runner, pick up at least 3 cans, because it says to apply 2 coats. So if you pick up at least 3, you can get each side done pretty well, and then have that half a coat, or the extra coat, to just quickly go through it all, and then do the front cross members. So at least 3 cans, maybe 4. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and prime this can. shake it up, get the tube on, and then there's gonna be some holes on the frame, like the access ports. What you want to do, you want to tape off a lot of those so that way the paint doesn't just spray out. And when I did that the first time, I'll show you again, I'll actually show you guys after I go through and spray it, that it does cover in a 360-degree pattern. That's one thing that I didn't tell you. This little nozzle at the end, it like sprays out like this. So it coats the whole entire frame, like pretty much a 360-degree. You just gotta spray it and then pull the tube back. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taping off some of the access holes on there, the ones that I won't be using, and then let's get spraying. All right, guys, got the Shan. Wow, got the Shan. All right, guys, I got the can all shook up. I got this nozzle on. It's really easy. You just take off this nozzle, pop this on, and please do lay this out in the sun or something because it is so much easier to use now. And I highly recommend wearing gloves. Now, I'm just gonna prime this tube real quick, but I'm gonna show you what it does inside of the box, so you can actually see the full effect. See how it literally just like sprays around in there? As you pull the tube back, it'll just spray everywhere. See how it got some up there too? Yeah, it's pretty neat. And one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tape the end so I know where to stop spraying whenever I pull out. Let's start up here. There's that one. Let's go back in here. Perfect. And also wear a respirator. All right, and we're just gonna keep moving all the way along down the frame. And that's pretty much it. So let me get the rest done and then we'll jump back on the second coat. All right, coat number 2. They do get the paint on them, so it does go all the way around. All right, guys, I just got done with that second coat. It really did not take long at all. It was probably about 15 minutes, maybe 20. I'm gonna say like 20 minutes by the time you tape everything up. And yeah, it's pretty easy. I do recommend now going into it, I would probably get 4 cans for sure, so that way you can do 2 proper full coats, and then any of the cross members or anything like up front that you want to coat to, you have those additional cans to do, because 1 can definitely get those cross members done with 2 coats, but I think you'll need 3 for both sides combined, lengthwise of the 4Runner or vehicle. It all depends on the size of your frame, of course. Anyways, I will probably add some links of the items that I used in this video down below. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these, and I'll catch you on the next ride.